what you can learn from the Lazy Commissions training, and what you can get as an extra purchase when you buy one of the upsells through my link down below. Hey, and what's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a product called Lazy Commissions of how and what you'll learn when you get the free version of Lazy Commissions, but I'm going to let the vendor of Lazy Commissions speak about his product in the next video. So, here shortly, and let's get into the bonuses. Bonus number 1, you get Bonus Fin Unlimited, which is bonus page builder software, which you get for free. And bonus number 2 is 0 to 1000, is how you can build a squeeze page and a list to 1000 subscribers. Bonus number 3, you get Traffic Catalysm, which is a Facebook training software, or training program about Facebook. Free organic traffic. Lazy Traffic Sniper, you get that as bonus number 4. 3-Step Success Club as bonus number 5, which is a business building step-by-step training. Now, those are my bonuses. You can get those when you buy up to number 1 of Lazy Commissions. I do highly suggest you get it. It is free for right now on the front end part, but he will be putting it at its rightful price of the training here soon. Here is Tim from the vendor of Lazy Commissions.
Hey, what is up, guys? Thank you so much for checking out this demo video on Lazy Commissions. My name is Tim Eakels. I'm one of the founders of Lazy Commissions, and on behalf of my business partner Paul Neidig, we want to say thank you very much for checking out Lazy Commissions. This, as I just said, is the demo video, so I just want to quickly run you through the back end of the platform. You would get access to this platform via email after your purchase, which is currently free because we are in pre-launch. So as you can see on the left-hand side, you've got a menu with getting started, the foundation, email marketing, lead generation, traffic generation, and a conclusion. And then we've got a couple of bonuses and upgrades and affiliate resources, a change log, and support and help. And this is basically how we've structured it. If you want to find out more about us, about Paul and me, you can do so here. We've got the links here. We explain why the training is free, that there is no catch whatsoever. We don't even collect your credit card information on the front end purchase, so you don't have to fear anything, and you can get access to this right now for free. And just as an example, here in the foundation section, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 modules. As you can see, why 99% of people fail on execution, affiliate marketing process. We explain the value ascension model, niche selection, required tools, core offer selection, and how you can, as an affiliate, create your own USP and bonus sets. And just as an example here, the very first module in this section, the foundation, is why 99% of people fail or are destined to fail at making money online. And you can see there's a lot of text in here, and everything is structured very nice. And you have these audio files in here as well. So as you can see here, for the first module, the audio file is 17 minutes long. On the second module on execution, which you hopefully don't skip, by the way, if you're going through this course, it's 13 minutes long. And there are several other modules where there is text only so far. We might add videos or audio files to that later on, because this course is really not something that we want to launch and then forget about it and move on, but we want to improve this course over time and make it as good as we can. And for example, in the bonus section, you can see how to get approved as a new affiliate marketer. There's a video. Direct response secrets is an audio file that is 1 hour 13 minutes long. You can download this audio file and listen to it while you're in the gym or do whatever. So this is really there's a lot of work went into this program, and the fact that you're getting it right now for free is pretty crazy. So yeah, without further ado, welcome to Lazy Commissions. Cheers.
Just a quick update on the Lazy Commissions training program. When Tim mentioned mentioned in the video about there being videos, there are videos in the program now. So I would highly encourage everyone to go check it out while it's still free, because it is a limited time. It is a breathing, living product, and I will share with you my purchases of the product from getting it too, because I thought it was a good deal of a steal of a product. So he will be raising the price. Let's go check my purchase history. And I did buy a lot of products before. As you can see, Lazy Commission's free. It is still free as of time being right now. I would still go check it out. And I would highly encourage everyone to get the Rapid Implementation Kit and the Secret Affiliate Insider, and maybe the other upsells if you're wanting the whole entire product too. So I highly encourage anyone to get it. It is updated to have videos now, not just audio. There are videos, and if you're a visual learner like me, it was text before when it first launched, but he did update it with videos. So there you go. And also, just an update, there are my bonuses too on OTO number 1. Just the front OTO is where you can get my bonuses, and you get all these, and plus the vendor ones also. KWZ Marketing signing off. Bye bye.